What's up, YouTubers? I'm here by the Greek Theater meeting up with Super73 bikers for a sunset group ride in LA. I just received the Scorpion covert helmet to try out. I'm the black sheep today using a Zugo Rhino, or should I say the Black Rhino. Anyway, we have two bikes on back ordered we are waiting on, an S2 and a Gateway Monday. I also get questions about how I transport our e-bikes. I use a KAC e-bike rack that carries two bikes at 60 pounds each. I simply detach the batteries to minimize the weight. For more details on the rack and future e-bike rides in Southern California, check the links below. In summary, this ride started at Greek Theater to LACMA Urban Lights and then to Griffith Observatory. We totaled about 18 miles and 1,100 feet of elevation gain. My Zugo Rhino still had about 2 bars of battery left by the end of the night. My GoPro, however, died and was not able to document the Griffith Observatory portion. In closing, I hope to see you in our e-bike rides, and kindly like, comment, or subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. Thank you for watching, stay amazing, and enjoy the rest of the ride. Those signal lights are extra for the Onyx, huh? The signal lights you got, they're extra, right?
Yeah. I figured put them on because I ride at night a lot.
Okay.
They do help, because a lot of times you're doing this and like...
Yeah, for sure.
People are like, okay.
Yeah. Oh, Pink's hot dog, dude, what? Have you been here? Have you been to Pink's hot dog? Have you been to Pink's hot dog? That shit is the bomb. There's no line anymore. Damn. Yeah, dude, no line, guys. Pink's hot dog. Yeah, it makes me want to go now. Like there's no line, you know? Yeah. I was like so hungry just looking at it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah. I thought there would still be a line. It's crazy. Ooh, caught up with you guys. Or did you guys wait? You guys probably waited, huh? I got caught at a red. You ever tried that, Mike? I'd love to wheelie. Oh, careful guys. See you guys. Buenas, all right? I get in here now. I feel like I can wheelie. I feel like I can wheelie. Like I was trying to try it, you know? It's so expensive that you don't want to like scuff it up and stuff. How much was the seat?
Right around $100.
You recommend it? It's just softer?
Yeah, and it has a little more traction on it. You know, it's not slippery anymore.
Oh, okay. So that one's like slick. Got it. Alright, we're doing something we can't really normally do, but it's just feeding it. Alright guys, this is Lachlan. Oh, we're getting stopped already. Or he's right there. Hello. What did the guy say? Just like no biking?
Yeah, it's a no bike, so we just ride it.
Oh, you can regularly ride it?
I mean, walk it.
Oh, walk it. Got
Yeah.
it. Got it. Wow, nice. Just the front.
The front?
Yeah. Yep. Go for it, bud. What's going on?
Just blending in with y'all.
Yeah, I didn't. Electric bikes. Super 73s. I saw you in the back. I was like, oh, that guy's really quiet. And I didn't even hear your motor.
Quiet?
What's that?
Like quiet?
Yeah. Like you can't hear it. It's on. Yeah. I used to work here once upon a time. I almost got it. Okay, good job. I can see that you got it. Where's the S2? He's behind me. I got a pedal. There he is.
That's on Vermont.
Okay. Oh, and that should be it.
And then let's go up. We could like ride up to the observatory too.
Cool. That would be nice.